Hi. Okay, the reason that I'm recording this video, it's really simple. It's really simple. It's just that this webcam sucks. I'm just gonna show you that my webcam sucks. I've tried the settings, I've tried everything possible, but look, I'm having green lips right now. And I'm purple. And this is actually white, but it's yellow orangey now. And well, I was trying out my webcam this morning because I was gonna cam with somebody else later, but it's just didn't turn out good. So help. Is it because my webcam is sucky already, or is there anything else that I can do to fix this problem? Because I bought this Logitech for like $100, and I don't even use it that often, so it's really not worth it. So if there's any experts on this, please do let me know, because my settings is like, okay, it's either my webcam or my settings options is shit, or it's me who is shit. Alright, anyway, today's Saturday. Maybe say something, block a little bit. I still have my KL photos in my laptop. They're huge, and it's a lot of trouble to upload all of them to my blog. So I'm a little lazy this Saturday. Plus I just came back from shopping again. I bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops. Yeah, 2 dresses and 4 tops. I can show you now, but since this webcam is acting out, I don't think it means anything, because you won't be able to see the exact colors and everything, so you won't think it's nice anyway. If, without the color, it's just a whole lot of different. So anyway, I guess that's all for me. I might go out tonight, so we'll see if we have more photos, and I'll upload it. I don't really feel like typing a long ass entry, anytime soon. It's just not fun anymore. Like I said, I've lost the passion to blog. So maybe I'll do more vlogs, video blog. Well, it's easier and faster, and I just say whatever I want, and you can get all the possible English grammar, whatever mistakes while I talk. Not like when I type I can change them over and over again, So anyway, what do I want to talk about? Nah, maybe next time. Maybe tonight. Bye.